Hey, what's up, guys? So today we got this case from Redragon. It's an MC211 ITX slash micro ATX case. This is my first time seeing it. I didn't even know Redragon make a case because I usually buy the keyboard and mouse and everything. So let's see what we have. I bought it for $48 in total. After tax, probably like 49. I didn't pay attention. So it's kind of like the Mini 011 from Lee and Lee. This has it's a mesh that's good for airflow to the back, which I really like that. That's really good. And also you can move the top off. You got two screws, which is pretty good, which also mesh. So that means like this case we have great airflow. And this is tempered glass also. Feels pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie. And the case is really light because I built in the 011 Air Mini like 3 times, and then that case from Lee and Lee is very heavy. But this one from Redragon, it's really light because it's literally lift it with one hand. And also, like the Mini 11, you just slide this up for it to come off. I really like that feature in the case. It's really good. We don't need any more screws. So let's see what we have in the box. First, we got Ready for Battle from Redragon. I guess these are stickers you want to put on the case. And inside, I just a screw, nothing, and then zip ties. That's about it. And the manual, pretty basic. You know, it's a budget case, so you cannot expect too much. So on the bottom, I see it's mesh. I really like that idea. That's very good. And this is a micro ATX, mini ITX, micro ATX form factor case. 2 holes inside for the power cord, the motherboard. This could take up at least a 240 mil AIO over here and on top, and then 2 120 millimeter fans over here and on top also. So the case comes with a power button, 3 USB 3.0, microphone jack, and headphones, LEDs, lights for indicator lights, reset button, and an LED. I guess that's for the light bar that we have down here. That's for the light bar. I guess you can change the color. And also, this is the connectors, the motherboard connectors. This is a motherboard that's a LED switch, reset switch, power LED, power switch, and hard drive LED. And then this is the audio, HD audio. It only comes with one USB 2.0 header, so we don't need another regular USB, which is good. Also, there's a little connectors here for the fan. I guess that's this is a SATA power. And I believe this is for the RGB headers. Yep, this is Gen 2. When you see the 3 pins, yep, the 3 holes. There's the female one. These are for ARGB headers, Gen 2. As for the power supply, I think you can feed like a regular ATX size form factor power supply in here. I don't recommend like the big long ones because you're probably not gonna have enough space for the wires. But the great thing, you could fit the wires here. So the only thing is that if you have a bunch of black wires behind the fans over here, you probably could see them. Since this is a white case, you probably just can see them from there. And this is the hole for our motherboard. You cannot put a fan here because it's too small, too slim. So this is mesh, which is pretty good too. So as long as you're gonna have 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 fans, and your CPU cooler fan. And also, I really like the height of it. And then it has this big bottom, I guess for air to come out, which is pretty good. I like that. I'm not gonna lie. Can this come out up front? Seems like this can even. Yep, it can. And this is the front. This feels like plastic. I don't know why. This feels so like it's plastic, but it's tempered glass. That's crazy. Because it's cold, I could feel like it's. But it's, yeah. So and overall, I think it's worth the money. It's only $48 that I paid for. I don't know if it was on sale or not, but I think that so far from what I've seen, it's worth it. But the only downside I would say to this is that it doesn't come with any fan. So let's say if you buy the one from DIY PC, it does come with 3 fans, 3 RGB fans, which is pretty good. I always choose the ones that come with fans over the ones that don't when you're building in budget cases. So, but I just think the fans just literally make you save some money. So in overall, from what I'm seeing, this case is pretty good. Looks, for the price, yeah, $48. I'm not gonna argue with that. Under $50, I'm not gonna argue. So I have a bill coming up for this case, so stay tuned. I think it's gonna look awesome. All right, thanks guys. See you later.